How to scan meal in Myfitnesspal. Firstly, open the Myfitnesspal app. Move to the diary which is present at the bottom, and at the second, click on diary. And right here, search for a food that will appear in dashboard. Just click on this bar. You can see at the top, scan a meal and scan a barcode. You can see two options. By clicking on this, you can scan a meal and scan a barcode. From here, you can see log entire meals quickly. Click on the next, all sets to start. Click on start a scan. Your camera of your phone will appear and the food will be scanned in your phone. Just make sure watch the complete video. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.